Breaking news. China's AI giant DeepSeek has just accelerated the release of its R2 model, and the world is shocked. Is this the moment ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok have been dethroned? With DeepSeek R1 already disrupting the market, R2 promises next-level reasoning, multilingual expansion, and unprecedented coding capabilities. And it's coming fast. But why is China pushing this AI model so aggressively? And should OpenAI and Google be worried? Stick with me, because today's revelation could change the entire AI landscape forever. Welcome to AI Horizon Daily, your go-to channel for breaking AI news and future tech insights. Today we dive deep into DeepSeek's R2 model, its global impact, and whether China is leading the AI race. This is not just another chatbot update. This is about who will control the future of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned because we're unpacking every major detail of this bombshell release. First, let's break down what just happened. Earlier today, DeepSeek announced that R2, its next-generation AI model, is being released sooner than expected. This is huge, because R1 already sent shockwaves through the AI world by challenging OpenAI's dominance. Now, R2 aims to outperform ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini in complex reasoning, programming, and multilingual understanding. But why the sudden acceleration? Insiders suggest this is part of China's broader AI strategy to compete, dominate, and win against the West's AI superpowers. So what makes DeepSeek R2 so powerful? According to leaked reports, this model isn't just another chatbot. It's a massively enhanced AI with superior problem-solving abilities. Here's what you need to know. 1. Advanced multilingual abilities. Unlike ChatGPT, DeepSeek R2 is optimized for multiple languages beyond English and Chinese, making it a true global AI. 2. Superior reasoning capabilities. AI researchers claim R2 can handle complex problem-solving better than OpenAI's GPT models. 3. Game-changing coding features. The new model is rumored to excel in coding tasks, rivaling OpenAI's Codex and Google's AlphaCode. Now let's talk about why this matters. DeepSeek's advancements could completely shift the AI power balance. The US has long dominated AI with OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic leading the charge, but China is closing the gap at an alarming speed. If DeepSeek R2 truly outperforms ChatGPT, we could be looking at a future where AI is no longer controlled by Silicon Valley, but by China's tech giants. And that raises big questions. Should the world be concerned? The global AI race is more than just about technology, it's about power. The US and Europe have already restricted AI chip exports to China in an effort to slow their AI advancements. But DeepSeek's rapid acceleration proves they're finding ways to innovate despite restrictions. Does this mean the West is falling behind? And will governments step in with more regulations to slow down China's AI dominance? Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and AI industry leaders have expressed concerns about the rapid advancements coming from China. Musk has even warned about the risks of AI falling into the wrong hands. But is DeepSeek R2 really a threat? Or is it just healthy competition that will push AI innovation forward? Meanwhile, investors are closely watching this development. When R1 launched, it shook global stock markets, leading to billions of dollars in AI investments. With R2's release imminent, could we see a new wave of AI stock surges? If DeepSeek delivers on its promises, AI companies worldwide will be forced to respond, and fast. So how does this affect you? AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's shaping jobs, businesses, and daily life. If DeepSeek R2 is as powerful as promised, it could mean 1. More accurate AI assistance for businesses and individuals. 2. Cheaper and more efficient AI solutions. 3. A potential shakeup in AI-powered automation, replacing traditional workflows. And the big question remains, will OpenAI, Google, and Meta respond? Are they already working on models that surpass DeepSeek R2? Or will we see a massive AI showdown in the coming months? This battle is just getting started, and you don't want to miss a second of it. So what do you think? Is DeepSeek AI the new ChatGPT killer, or will OpenAI and Google fight back? Should we be concerned about China's AI dominance, or is competition good for innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We bring you real-time AI news, leaks, and analysis to keep you informed in this rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching AI Horizon Daily. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.